Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link EA account to Steam. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and head over to the official site of EA.com, and once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon that you have, and you will go ahead and get these two options right here to sign in your account or to create one. If you don't have one, of course, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in because I already have my own account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in right here using my account. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon again. Now, it can go ahead and look a little bit different now because we're logged in inside our account. You want to go ahead and click on the account settings. Now, it will go ahead and take us to the account settings right here. You want to go ahead and browse through the tabs that we have. Just go ahead and click on the connection tab. Once inside, you will go ahead and see the connections that you have inside your EA account, and you just want to go ahead and click on this theme right here, and just beside that you want to go ahead and click on the link button. But since I'm already logged in my Steam account, the only button that stay here is the unlink one. Yours will be different. It will go ahead and say link. After clicking on link, it will go ahead and prompt you to this Steam account, sign in. Just go ahead and sign in your account. Then you'll be asked if you really want to go ahead and buy your account with your EA account. Just go ahead and click I agree, and then you'll go ahead and link your account with your sim account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.